Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So let us start with the post-market analysis and see what we had predicted yesterday. These green arrows were indicating that you can buy on dips or buy from the support zone or from the support levels and take a sell position or buy a put from the resistance level. And I was not expecting any trendy day also. I had specified in this particular section that market can be uh, in a sideways between 38,200 level. Okay, this was the support 200 to 500 between these 300 points. So let us see how market behaved today. Okay, what we can see, so market continued its day end momentum by opening a gap down. Okay, it took the support of 38,200 levels, bounced back and broke the level 38,500 and faced the resistance of this particular level. Okay, 38,600 and again came down. So and there are few things or few points from the learning point of view I would cover while uh, sharing the intraday levels. Uh, just do not skip the video till the end. Just stay on. And as predicted, we saw a bit of sideways movement or sideways market movement between this particular level. So let us see what do we have for tomorrow from day view point of analysis. So what we have seen from these two candles that market is taking a support, or what we have predicted that market is creating its base for the further rally. Okay, by looking at these two candles, this retracement we can say was a must or is must after a good bull rally. And what this today's candle is indicating that there is a good selling pressure as well at this particular levels. So you can see this is a kind of a gravestone doji candlestick pattern. So just to show you, this is the pattern. So when this candle is formed at resistance level, okay, we can get to see that market uh, move in downward direction. But what we can see over here is we have a good support at 38,000 level. So just take into consideration or make a note that if 38,000 level is broken, okay, if 38,000 level is broken, then we can see another 4 to 500 points easily downfall, where this we market can touch this body of a doji candlestick pattern. Okay, otherwise we can see another, if bank nifty is able to sustain, we can see another sideways movement tomorrow as well. So now let us see what do we have for intraday levels. So the levels are not changed much. They are the same as yesterday. So what point I wanted to share from the learning point of view is what we saw on 14th was a gap down opening. Market tried to recover or fill the gap, but it could not, and we saw a good downfall. Okay, market took the support of 38,000 level and it bounced back. So you can clearly see this is a V-shaped recovery. Okay, we call this pattern as a V-shaped recovery. Whenever just make a note of this, whenever a V-shaped recovery is formed at the neck, this is my experience, at the neck or at the neck level, we see a downfall of this particular level. Maybe not a big, but at least to a quite extent. Okay, so this was one thing. And second thing, when market opened today, why did it retraced from this particular point itself? If you look at this level, okay, this is the same level where market took the support. When it opened gap up, it came down, took the support of this particular level. So it was acting as a good support first. Second, it gave a breakdown, and it started acting as a resistance. So this is where same we faced the resistance in the morning. If we convert this chart into 5 minutes, you would be clearly able to see. Okay, And to give a perfect example of a gravestone doji candlestick pattern, this is the gravestone. Okay, the gravestone doji candlestick pattern is formed at the resistance, and we saw market tumbling down or a good downfall. So those who are new to my channel, I have made a video on this, how to trade based on doji gravestone or doji candlestick pattern as well. And this is a no trade zone. Okay, do not enter into the trade unless if this level is crossed or market opens flat. uh, make the decision if market breaks this trend line. You can see market is taking the resistance of this particular trend line, so buy above this trend line. And the resistance level are 38,500 is a strong resistance, 34,000 is also a good resistance, where you can see market try to cross, but it failed 3 times and it came down. So just be careful. So if market opens gap down below this particular level, it can touch 38,000 level again. Just be careful, because this level would be tested multiple times. This is first, second, this was almost third, this is fourth, and more chances that market may break. And if it breaks this level, market can touch this support zone, which is at 37,750 level. Okay, and fill this gap. After filling this gap, it can bounce back, but when market will come down to this particular level, 38,000 level would act as a resistor. Just keep in mind. So in this manner, you need to keep these points into mind and trade accordingly. I hope you like my analysis, whatever knowledge I am having or whatever experience I'm getting while trading. I'm sharing with you guys, so that what mistakes I'm making, you may get benefit from those mistakes, or you may try to avoid those mistakes what I have made, mistakes while trading. And do not lose your hard earned money into the market easily. Okay, so hit the like button if you like my analysis, share with your friends as well, so that they get to learn. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.